How are you? I hope you're fine and you're doing good. Today I'm going to talk. I'm going to discuss about properties of triangle. Okay, this is very important topic because this kind of topic comes in a sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. Okay, and this is very basic topic and which is very important to understand because triangle is like a polygons which is you see everywhere. Okay, in a maths book, in a geometry especially. If you're preparing for the teaching examinations like CTET and REIT or different examinations, these kind of questions definitely come like for 1 or 2 marks, okay, or 3 marks. So I'm going to discuss these basic topics about the triangles. So let us discuss about this, and if the video is helpful, you can put a comment. Okay, so let's start doing. So the first topic, I'm just going to erase this. Okay, so the first important topic is called angle sum property. Angle sum property. So you know that triangle have 3 sides and 3 angles. That's why it is called triangle. Tri means 3. So in a triangle, if you draw a triangle, let us draw the triangle like it can be like a ABC. Just 3 angles. So ABC, if you add this ABC 3 angles like A plus B plus C, you will get 180 degree. You get 180 degree. So this is called angle sum property. This is called angle sum property. Okay. How can you use this property? Like if suppose value of two angles is given and you have to find the third angle. So you can just add the 2 angles which is given, then you can subtract from the 180 degree. So you can get the third angle. So this is called angle sum property. It is very basic. If this kind of questions comes, you can do without any much confusions. Okay. So the next point is exterior angle property. By the name you can understand that this is exterior, which is outside the interior. Okay. So suppose this is triangle. Let me just explain this. A triangle having 3 sides, which is interior, and one angle is just after a triangle. So this is, suppose this is angle 1, and this is ABC, and this is 2. This is no, it's okay. So how can you get the exterior angle value of angle 1, which is exterior? So exterior angle property says that exterior angle is equal to sum of 2 opposite interior angle. Okay, so angle 1, which is exterior, equals to angle A plus angle B, which is interior of angles. Okay, so this is called exterior angle. Exterior angle. Now let us understand this topic. Like suppose this is a little bit lighter now. Suppose this is given 70 degree, this is given 50 degree. You have to get this angle which is exterior. So how can you get this angle? So you can just add these opposite angles, like 50 plus 70 is 120 degree equals to angle 1. So this is called exterior angle property. If the exterior angle is given, if you have to find the one of the interior angle, you can just subtract from the exterior angle to the interior angle. So by the help of this, you can solve these kind of similar problems. Okay, is it easy? Yes. So the next is linear pair. Linear pair is like a topic which is very common and very easy. Okay, so let me just explain this. Suppose there is triangle given, okay, and you have to find these angles. Okay, or suppose this is given, like 120 is given, and you have to find these angles. You can use a linear pair of this and to get the value of this. So linear pair property says that, suppose this is angle 1. So angles, you can just add these 2 angles, 120 degree, and this angle will be equal to 180 degree. Just subtract this angle from the 180 degree. You can get the value of interior angles, which is angle 1, 60 degree. Clear? Next is very important topic which is called sum of 2 sides of a triangle. Sum of 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. Okay, so just let me explain this. Okay, this is also very simple. So I'm just going to draw a figure like triangle, it has different values, maybe 7 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. Alright, when you add the two sides, if you compare with the third side, you will notice that each time you will get it is greater than third side. Suppose 8 plus 7, 7 plus 8 is equals to 15. Compare with the third side, which is 10, which is greater than 10. 10 plus 7, what is the result? It's a 17. Compare with the third side, which is 8, which is greater than 8. Now the 10 and 18, 10 and 8, 10 plus 8 is equals to 18. Compare with the third side, this is 7, which is greater than 7. So in each three cases, when you add the two sides, when you compare with the third side, it's always greater than third side. So this is called a kind of property. By the help of this property, we can do similar questions. Clear? Okay, I will explain these questions. If you want, I can do more videos over this kind of problems. Like I will use this kind of property to solve the various questions from the R.S. Agrawal, from the various types of book. Okay, so you can just suggest me if you want to get more explanations over this topic. Okay, so next is Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is also very important property, which is very important. How you can apply this property? Remember one thing, that Pythagoras property is always used in a right angle triangle. A triangle having 90 degrees is called right angle triangle. So this is 90 degree. So how can you use this property? Like 90 degree just opposite to 90 degree, it is called hypotenuse. This is base, this is perpendicular or altitudes. Okay, altitudes. So hypotenuse square equals to altitude square plus base square. Okay, this is very important property. So if you have to get the value of hypotenuse, you can suppose this is 10, this is 8. So you just do the square of these numbers and just get the value of hypotenuse. Okay, if the hypotenuse is given, you have to find the altitudes or perpendicular. You can just do the square of hypotenuse and do the square of base. So just subtract this, you can get the altitudes or perpendicular. So this is also very important property. I think this property is used in various chapters, like various classes. So hope this video is helpful. If you want to get more videos similar to this topic, you can put a comments, because the comments and the likes give us motivations to do more videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and share it to the ladies, any students which have any doubts in this kind of topic. It will be